Yeah, so I'm Tom Hughes, and I work for TT Games. I started my sort of career in Glyndor University and on the computer games development course in 2009. Graduated in 2012 and started my first job in the industry in 2013.
Awesome. And then did you plan to get into this industry all along, or did it sort of happen?
It's kind of like an evolution, really. I first started using a piece of software that came with Windows 95 called Click and Play, and then it sort of evolved from there, doing mods on like GTA 3 was really good for mods originally. That was when it's probably 2005, and that sort of evolved into thinking the only way into the industry was to be a programmer. I wasn't very good at it, so I dropped out and had a good look at myself and thought, what am I good at? What do I want to do in games? And the computer games development course was a real rounded course. It touches on a lot of different aspects, and then sort of moved into concentrating on animation from that.
Brilliant. What would you say to a young person who thinks they want to get into that industry but they probably can't do it here?
You definitely can do it here. There's plenty of people who I've come across in the industry who have done it from a local standpoint.